I am not able to comb my hair by looking at this broken mirror.
Hey, old lady, look here. I have a better mirror than yours with which I comb my hair very well.
Grandma, give me this mirror. I will get you a new one.
Okay, son.
I have to make a good mirror to make Grandma happy. I will make a wooden mirror design. I love my grandma very much, but her memory is not the same it used to be. Still, she is my grandma, and I will do anything for her friends. No one supports me. Will you support me? So, like, subscribe, and comment with red heart for my dear grandma. After many hours of hard work, the wooden mirror is ready here. My dear grandma, this is your mirror.
It is very beautiful, my dear son. Thank you for making such a nice mirror.